Oranges, a nutrient-rich fruit, have become a symbol of prosperity and health in many Asian cultures. Beyond being a familiar item on dining tables, oranges serve as a source of inspiration in culinary arts, medicine, and cosmetics. With their refreshing sweetness and pleasant aroma, oranges appeal to people of all ages, from children to the elderly, and are cherished across both urban and rural areas. Asia stands as one of the world's largest producers of oranges, holding a significant share in the global agricultural landscape. Countries like China, India, Vietnam, and Japan not only produce oranges for domestic consumption but also export them to international markets. Asian oranges carry substantial economic value while also reflecting the region's cultural diversity, environmental uniqueness, and advancements in agricultural science. However, the journey of oranges, from cultivation and harvesting to processing, is far from simple. It requires a seamless blend of traditional expertise, modern technology, and sustainable practices. This article will explore the comprehensive journey of oranges, from verdant orchards to processing plants and, ultimately, to consumers' hands. With its diverse climate and geography, Asia is a prime region for developing unique orange varieties. From India's vast plains to Japan's cool hillside terrains, each area offers distinctive conditions that shape the flavor and characteristics of oranges. China, as the world's leading orange producer, China boasts renowned growing regions such as Guangdong, Sichuan, and Fujian. Sweet navel oranges and mandarin oranges from these areas are popular for their mild sweetness and ease of peeling. Vietnam, varieties like Ha Giang San oranges and Zoan oranges from the Mekong Delta stand out with their rich flavor and thick skin, which prolongs storage life. Vietnam's tropical climate ensures year-round cultivation. Japan's Mekong oranges are famous for their natural sweetness, seedless nature, and cultivation in regions like Shizuoka and the Himalaya. Central India's Nagpur oranges are cherished for their thin peel and a delightful balance of sweetness and mild tartness, making them a domestic favorite. Soil, climate, and cultivation techniques in each region not only influence yield but also determine the taste, color, and nutritional profile of the oranges. Harvesting oranges is more than just plucking fruit. To ensure quality, farmers must carefully observe, pick at the right stage of ripeness, and apply appropriate techniques. Traditional methods. In many rural areas, farmers hand-pick oranges to avoid damaging their peel. Small cutting shears are used to leave the stem intact, enhancing preservation. Harvesting typically occurs early in the morning to avoid harsh sunlight, helping maintain the fruit's freshness. Modern technology. Large-scale farms in China and Japan employ drones and temperature sensors to determine the ripeness of oranges. Automated robots are also used to harvest oranges in vast fields, minimizing labor and reducing losses caused by human handling. The orange industry in Asia faces numerous challenges. Climate change, extreme weather events, such as storms and droughts, significantly affect crop seasons. Pests and diseases. Diseases like huanglongbing, HLB, or citrus greening, have caused substantial damage to orange farms in several countries. Labor shortages, particularly in developed nations. A lack of workers during peak harvest seasons has pushed farmers toward technological solutions. Despite these obstacles, ongoing efforts in applying scientific advancements, developing disease-resistant orange varieties, and improving labor conditions have helped sustain the industry's growth. Once harvested, oranges undergo immediate processing to ensure quality and extend shelf life, a critical step in the value chain. Cleaning and sorting. Freshly picked oranges are washed to remove dirt, pesticide residues, and bacteria. Large farms in China and Japan use automated washing machines equipped with UV sterilization. The oranges are then sorted by size, color, and ripeness for fresh consumption or further processing. Cold storage. After sorting, oranges are stored in cold warehouses at 5 to 8 degrees Celsius to maintain freshness and minimize dehydration. Advanced facilities use ethylene gas technology to slow ripening, extending storage periods. Traditional methods, such as storing oranges in earthen pits or wrapping them in leaves for moisture retention, are still used in rural areas of India and Vietnam, though they are more suited to small-scale operations. Oranges are not only consumed fresh, but are also transformed into a variety of products to meet the evolving demands of consumers. Direct consumer products. Orange juice, the most popular derivative. Orange juice is widely consumed for its convenience and high nutritional value. Brands in Japan, such as Kagoma, use Micon oranges to create naturally flavorful juices. Canned oranges. China leads in producing canned oranges, which are exported to Europe and North America. These products are valued for their long shelf life. Value-added products. Orange essential oil, extracted from orange peels. This oil is used in cosmetics, perfumes, and personal care products. Orange marmalade, a staple breakfast spread in many households, especially in East and Southeast Asia. Orange candy and pastries. India is known for its handcrafted orange candies, while Japan specializes in premium orange pastries for gifting. Applications in medicine and cosmetics. Vitamin C supplements. Orange peels and juice serve as key ingredients in natural vitamin C production. Orange peel face masks. Beauty products derived from oranges are gaining popularity in Korea and Japan for their brightening and anti-aging properties. Asia's orange processing industry is transitioning towards sustainability by maximizing the use of orange components and minimizing waste. Utilizing the entire orange. Many processing facilities utilize every part of the orange, juice, peel, pulp, and seeds, for various products. For instance, orange peels are used to produce essential oils, while pulp becomes livestock feed. Green processes. Companies in Japan have pioneered recycling orange peels into bioenergy, reducing costs and carbon emissions. Eco-friendly products. Organic oranges, cultivated without chemicals, are becoming a trend in countries like Vietnam, India, and China. Oranges are not merely a fruit but a testament to the creativity and growth potential of Asia's agricultural sector. From expansive orange orchards to meticulous harvesting practices and innovative products, oranges are a source of pride and an integral part of daily life. Their journey, from farm to table, represents humanity's efforts to harmonize tradition, modernity, and sustainability.